Hey guys, I'm about to another video. So today we are putting some new speakers in the F-150. Only in the back right now. We'll do the fronts later. This is an SDX, so it doesn't have the power windows. Some of them do, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So the things you're going to need first, obviously, are some speakers. The speakers I got are the Crunch. It's a funny brand, but they're way better than what's in here. I already tested these. Crunch. 250 watt 6x8s, which 5x7 is the same thing, 6x8. I've already had to take this door off one time, or door panel I should say, and it's not that difficult, honestly. I think anyone can do it. Alright, so a 1/4 will work, but you're gonna need a different size. I think a 7/16 might work. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull back on these two panels. I'm gonna do this off camera, it's kind of hard. Alright, that took like 5 seconds. And then you got one here, and don't come yanking on your door before you, because you got this one right here that you can't kind of see because it's getting dark out. And if you have power windows, pull your power window switch off right here, and there's a bolt back there too on your, if you have power windows. Then once you get the door panels or the door screws out, you lift up. Oh wait, nope, forgot. You gotta get a flathead, put it in here. There's two more in here that pulls the handle out. I can't believe I forgot that. Alright, so once you get the screws out, this will literally pull right out. No linkages connected to this, at least on the non-power window version. Then you should be able to just lift up and pull. And just set this somewhere carefully down so you don't scratch it or mess it up. And then you got your high quality 6x8s there. I should turn off that light. High quality 6x8s that are blown in this truck, and they sound horrible. And let me guess, they're gonna be the same size, right? Oh no, they're not, they're smaller. All right, let me figure this out. All right, so this is actually a 7/32. I think that's how you say it. Don't bully me if I'm wrong. Take all those 4 screws out, and then I'll show you all the new speaker installed. All right, then once you get your 4 screws out, you're gonna pull out on the speaker. You're gonna have a wired harness or whatever. Just pull on that, and there's a little clip. Then once you get that, you get your blown. I want to see if these actually are blown. Yeah, the phone's messed up right there. You can't see it. But these are obviously the OEM, made in China. 25. Dang, these are 25 watts. Ford speakers. That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't need to get some kickers. Like, these will be way better than the stocks. Those are 25 watt speakers, and these are like 250. This is the one I already opened. The Crunch 6x8s, and you're gonna have to get your adapters, which I probably shouldn't have left in the cup holder. You're gonna put the, I don't know if y'all need to know that because y'all probably know about audio. Put the female and that one. I don't need to explain this. Put the bigger one on the bigger one, and put the smaller one on the smaller one. There we go. Alright, so it works. Alright, so once it works, once you make sure it works, then you're gonna screw that back into place. And yeah, put it back together. Alright, so once you get your speaker screwed in, it's reverse process. You just want to be careful with these clips, putting them back in place so you don't screw nothing up. And then I'm going to go to the other side off camera, and I'm going to let y'all hear what these sound like. Alright, it's getting super dark here now, but I got this other one installed, and before it got too dark where you wouldn't be able to see me really, I want to go ahead and do a music test. So here's like some YouTube audio library thing. They sound 10 times better in your guys' There's not gonna be much like flex from the bass, because I mean, I don't have it cranked up a ton because the front speakers are gonna blow if I do that. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back together and we'll finish up the video. Alright guys, so sorry for the bad light, and it's getting really dark out now because of daylight saving time. It's like literally only 5 o'clock. Hope you guys, I guess I can't do nothing with the light. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.